So I believe this is the best way to actually fill up your water cooling loop. I know the traditional way is to get a old PSU and bridge the pins so that whenever you turn on the PSU, it'll turn on your pump and then let the liquid flow around your system. However, all this is doing is giving 12 volts to the two connectors on the molex, and if we get a molex connector from any old power supply or adapter that would cost us $1 or $2, we get a simple battery and a simple switch. We can make up our own solution for powering it with a much faster response time to go on and off than the traditional power supply. We're going to do this today with the help of two batteries, a DC connector and a BNC connector. The BNC connector is just my personal preference for something that's going to be easy and reliably to connect to, that has two pins, one for our ground, one for our 12 volts. A DC connector is so I can plug in an SLA battery charger, and the two buttons are for, one is a momentary, so when I just want the pump to pulse, I can pulse it, and then one is a on-off switch, which I can have permanently on or permanently off, so I can run the system for things such as leak tests. And so now you can see that once all of our buttons and BNC and DC connectors have all been soldered together and connected up in the box, we can now view it on a multimeter, so that when I press this momentary button, it gives me 12 volts, and then when I leave the on-off button on, it also gives me 12 volts.